Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Haris Husaini bin Mama Hafiz, and today I will be presenting this chainsaw. So for the functions, it used to cut wood, logs, branches and the trees. It helps in pruning and clearing land. Also speed up the cutting and the task compared to the manual saws. It can also be used in carpentry, landscaping and forestry. For the maintenance, check the fuel, battery and the chain lubricant level and inspect the chain tension. It's supposed to not too loose, not too tight, and also wear the safety gear, helmet, goggles, glove and boots. So how to operate this machine? At first, you start the chainsaw on the level ground. Hold firmly on both hands. Cut with steady pressure and let the chain do the work. Turn off and engage the chain brake when not cutting. So that's okay.
Maintenance.
For the maintenance, clean the chain bar and engine after use. Sharpen chain regularly for smooth cutting. Check the bar oil level before every operation and replace the worn out chain and spark plug. Also tighten the loose nuts, screws and bolts. Store the black cover on the chain bar to avoid rust. And for the safety users, never cut above shoulder head. Maintain the proper footing and also avoid the slippery ground. Keep bystanders at least 3 meters away. And use proper PPE like helmet, face, shield, earmuff and glove, and avoid the kickback from the machine zone. So the top tip of the saw bar: do not operate when it's tired or intoxicated, and follows the manufacturer's manual. As for the 5, which is
Storage.
For the storage, turn off and cool down completely and clean the sawdust and debris. Drain fuel if storing long term. Apply the oil to the bar and the chain cover with its protective guard. Store in a dry, cool place and away from the moisture content, and keep cut out of children's reach. And that's all from me. Ibu tak tekan kan?